Alright class. It's time for math in summer school. Please pull out your math books. Oh God. Dora. That's disgusting. You can't fart or burp in class. Did you look at the rules?
Um. I didn't.
That's it. Go to the principal's office now. You again? What did you do now?
I pulled a smelly burp and farted in the class.
Dora. That's super disgusting. That's it. You're suspended for 5 weeks with 100,000 millions of homework. Go home now.
Dora. I can't believe you're farting and pulling a smelly burp in the class of summer school. That's it. You're grounded until the summer of 2064. Go to your room now.
Hey guys. Gaming Animations here. Saying to you that, Titchmere the Random Fan 2019 is giving me a shout out. To myself. Thanks for watching.